Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Assist. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make your Twitter account private. Now for that, make sure to watch the video till the end and follow the instruction carefully. So first of all, you need to log in. So for that, go towards your web browser and on top there is a search bar, type twitter.com and I will leave the link on the description box as well. As you can see that I've landed inside my profile page, which means that I'm already logged in. Now in order to make my Twitter account private, all I need to do is on the same page move towards my left hand side corner, and right in the corner there is more on the 7th step, so tap on it. Now as soon as I tap on more, there is another update box. From here you can see there are a list of options. So now you need to tap on settings and privacy, which is also on the 7th step. Now as you tap on settings and privacy, on the other side there is two different options, that is settings and your account. Now we need to head towards your settings and under it there you can see different options. You need to tap on the 4th one, which is privacy and safety. On the other side there you can see your Twitter activity and under it you can see audience and tagging on the 1st step, so tap on it. As you tap on audience and tagging, down there you can see protect your tweet. When selected, your tweet and account information are only visible to people who follow you. Now in order to make your Twitter account private, all you need to do is move towards your right hand side corner and right in the corner there is a box, so tap on it. So as you tap on the box, there is a pop-up window right in the center, so you need to tap on protect. Now your Twitter account has been private and this is how you can make your Twitter account private on your device. And that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.